channel. So today's topic is time management tips. Time management tips for KDP. If you are someone who is doing KDP and don't know how much time it will require and how to divide time between creating your books by creating your cover, manuscript, keyword, title, subtitle, ads, everything. So I will tell you how I do and how you can take my reference to add in your schedule. So let's get. So the first is niche research. So niche research is very important. A lot of people avoid niche research and they end up not making any sales. So if you are low on sales and struggling to making sale, I will recommend you to more focus on niche research. People are coming in this business with unrealistic goals, like they will think that I will just come and upload 1000 books and I will make money. No man, you are not gonna do that. If you make one book and you did your nice niche research, you will make more than that. So niche research is very important. It's very important. And you have to spend 30% of your time in niche research. Let's suppose if you are someone who is spending 10 hours to make book, you have to spend 3 hours in finding your perfect niche. Initially you will take 3 hours, but eventually when you are doing it over and over, you will quickly find it in 10 to 15 minutes. I am just giving you the percentage, how much time you have to invest for your niche research. I will recommend you to invest your 30% of your time. From whole book creation time, you have to invest your 30% to finding your perfect niche in which you can create your books. And second is for cover and manuscript, you have to invest your 10% of time, because it's not very difficult to create a cover and manuscript. It just need a little learning. So you can learn it from free sources, like you can create your covers in Canva, your manuscript in Canva too. I have some tutorials. Do check my channel, you will find, and I will link in the I button to go and check out how I do my manuscript cover in very easy. You can create it in Canva in less than 10% of the time. So next is third is keyword. For keyword, I know that a lot of publishers focus on lot of keywords. I will not recommend you to focus on lot of your time to invest in keywords, because when you put like you are just publishing adult coloring book for kids, then you put your subtitle for adult coloring book for kids, that means you are gonna rank for all the possible variation of this keyword, like adult coloring book. Then you will also your book will also search for kids adult coloring book for adults, adult coloring book for kids adult coloring. Every possible manner, every possible arrangement of the words, your book is gonna shown to Amazon customer. So don't focus a lot. You have to focus, just don't add irrelevant keyword, but don't spend a lot of time in doing keyword and just complicate things. Don't do this. I will recommend you to invest only 10% of your time in finding your keywords. For most of my bestseller, I didn't have even a single keyword in my backend. I only have title and subtitle. I don't have a single keyword in my backend, but still my books rank really nice. For title and subtitle, same as keywords, just 10% of your time. Don't add irrelevant keyword. Just make it as simple as that. You just have to tell your customer what your book is all about. Just do that only. Don't just put a lot of keyword stuffing. Amazon wouldn't recommend it too. And fifth and the most important is invest your 40% to 50% time in creating ads or optimizing ads. It's very important. A lot of newcomers don't run ads. I don't know why. If you spend your $100, it's not an expense, it's an investment. You will make more than that. I guarantee you, if you do things right, you will make more money in a long run, because when you run ads your book will rank high and eventually you will make more organic sales. It will help you to boost your organic sales too. You will get sales from ads and you will get organic sales too. That's why I am saying focus 40% on ads. This is the most important aspect to rank your book very high. So I hope you get my point. This is all what I have to say. So this is it for the video. For someone who is new, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and thanks for watching. Have a great day. This is the end of the video. Over and out.